the ocean race is finally on, and me and my mates have been talking about it non-stop over the past couple of days. So we've been reading the YouTube comments on the available content, and people are not happy. There's loads of unhappy sailing fans because the content that's being delivered for some reason isn't being analyzed to the level that people want, which is good because thankfully we are analyzing it. So all I have to do now is make videos and hopefully post them on this account soon. There should be loads of information available.